The Release Planning and Management Committee is what you could call us the guardians of the OME process and procedures. So we manage the OME release program and the OME work program. So the release program is what we publish every year. So yeah, we try to track what will be published at the end of the year. We also manage the work program. That's how you actually go about working towards the publications. So that's managing the milestones that each work item has, and so we track those. We track also slippages and things like that. So more specifically, things we do, for example, we register all the new work items. After the working groups have actually done the specifications, we also organize the consistency reviews. That's the final review for an enabler. And the Release Planning Committee also manages the Open Mobile Naming Authority. That is basically a registry for all names and numbers that have to be registered for OME enablers. So the OME is important because I would say the main mission for OME is to reduce fragmentation in the marketplace. It's very important to have standards so you reduce fragmentation. That's why you have standards. Now, the Release Planning and Management Committee is not, we don't actually produce standards. So in our contributions towards that is basically to have a process that works as smoothly as possible. So I think the thing here is that you want to find a sweet spot between, on the one hand, you need a process that has the right quality controls in place. You have to make sure that it's fair for everybody, that you have to have good voting procedures or consensus procedures. But on the other hand, you don't want it to be too complex either. You want to have a process that's accessible for everybody, that doesn't put artificial barriers, and that really makes it easy for people to create new work. And that is really, I think, where this particular committee of OME comes in. We try to find that sweet spot.